Hello there. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. And on this specific training, we're going to continue talking about the Salesforce integration and setup. And more specifically, we're going to talk about the contacts object. You see, with Salesforce, there are a lot of different objects to help you manage the data for your specific organization. And right now, we're specifically talking about the contacts object so that you and your team can start getting through your calls faster using the power of PhoneBurner. Now, once you install the PhoneBurner app inside your Salesforce org, there are 3 custom fields that we add to your organization that can help you in building out your list. And so I want to talk to you about these 3 fields. So here you can see I've got a list view. This is just my PhoneBurner training list view. Now I'm going to click on this little gear menu right here, your list view controls menu. And I want to select different fields to display in this list view. Obviously, for every organization, it's going to be a different, but I want to show you 3 fields that we give you as part of the PhoneBurner install into your Salesforce org. One of those is number attempted calls. So I'm going to add that to the view. And then there's 2 others. Let me go find those real quick. Here we are. Last attempt and last disposition. I'm also going to remove a few fields here just to kind of clean this up a little bit. That's probably good. Actually, yeah, that's probably good. Let's go ahead and save that now. And there we go. Now we can see that this list view has now been updated to display these 3 new fields. Again, these are 3 fields that are provided to you by PhoneBurner when you install our app. Number attempted calls. This field will be automatically updated to increase by 1 every time you call a contact using PhoneBurner. Last attempt. This will also be updated automatically every time you attempt to call a contact. We're going to set the date and time of that call. And then finally, last disposition. We're going to update this field automatically as well with the outcome of the last call that you made to that contact. And as you can see, these fields are all empty right now. And the reason why is we just added the option to begin a dial session. We haven't yet started making our calls. So nothing has been able to be updated yet. And these are updated automatically with a flow that's also part of the installed package. And since these fields are going to be updated automatically, you can take advantage of the values that are put into these fields to help you build solid lists to work through. So anyway, that's a quick little overview of the 3 fields that you get when you install the PhoneBurner package in your Salesforce org. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and happy dialing.